Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 127. Section 127 talks about of the transfer of cases. Generally, the transfer of cases under section 127 takes place when there is a search on an SSC and the department feels that for the better administration and for better quality assessment orders, the cases of the assessees which are related to the search should be transferred to the same assessing officer who is dealing with the search cases or of the cases of the assessee on whom the search has been made. So in that cases, by following the procedure of section 127, the cases of the assessee can be transferred from one jurisdiction to the jurisdiction of the assessing officer who is dealing with the search cases. The present issue has been discussed in length in the case of Kamal Vardhanmal Galani versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 380, and the matter has been decided by Bombay High Court in a writ petition, and the date of the judgment is 28th April 2023. The facts of the present case are like this. In this case, the case of the assessee was transferred from the Deputy Commissioner Mumbai to the Deputy Commissioner Rajasthan. When the letter was issued to the assessee raised the objections, but the objections of the assessee were never dealt in the transfer order which was made by the Principal Commissioner. So the assessee challenged this transfer of jurisdiction from the Bombay to the Rajasthan in the writ court. The court said that section 127 says that if the case of the assessee is to be transferred from one assessing officer to other assessing officer under the same principal commissioner, even in that case also the reason should be recorded and the opportunity of being heard should be given to the assessee as far as it is possible. But the situation is a little bit different when the case is to be transferred from one assessing officer who comes under A Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to the assessing officer B who comes under the jurisdiction of other Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. Then in those cases the reasons should be recorded and the opportunity of being heard should be given to the assessee. Bombay High Court said that the procedure to transfer the case is like that. The reason should be recorded and the relationship of the assessee whose jurisdiction is to be transferred from one assessing officer to other assessing officer should be established with the assessee on whom the search has been made. If this relationship is not established, then the transfer will not be justified. Bombay High Court said that section 127 subsection 1 clause B says that if the request is made by one principal commissioner to the other principal commissioner, then in that case, if the principal commissioner who is transferring the case feels that the case should be transferred, then it is okay. But if he feels that the case is not a fit case to be transferred because the assessee whose case is to be transferred does not have any relation with the assessee on whom the search has been made, in that case the matter should be referred to an officer which is being authorized by a notification issued by the board. And there is also a circular of the department dated 17th September 2008 which says that before requesting the transfer of the jurisdiction, the reason should be recorded properly and the opportunity of being heard should be given to the assessee by establishing the relationship of the assessee whose case is to be transferred with the assessee on whom the search has been made. Since in the present case no such procedure has been followed, so the Bombay High Court quashed the transfer order and gave direction to the department that if they want to still transfer the case, then they should follow the procedure. Bombay High Court also said that it is not the case that one principal commissioner writes to the other principal commissioner to transfer the case and the principal commissioner who is transferring the case treats this request as accepted, then the whole purpose of opportunity of being heard will be otiose. The Bombay High Court said that the element of opportunity of being heard and the element of reasons to be recorded are not hollow slogans, and there should not be any element of arbitrariness. In the nutshell, it was the point of the Bombay High Court that whenever a case is transferred from one officer to other officer, the objections of the assessee should be properly heard and it should be taken care of, because it was the viewpoint of the court that once the jurisdiction of the assessee is transferred from one assessing officer to other assessing officer who comes under different principal commissioner of income tax, then in that case there is some uneasiness in the terms of location and in the terms of resources also for the assessee. So the proper procedure should be followed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Kamal Vardhanmal Galani versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 380. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court in a writ petition, and the date of the judgment is 20th April 2023. Thank you, friends.